This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Phipps. Del Rey Boat Ramp in Arroyo City. This is the old public boat ramp in Arroyo City. The piers and ramps have all been redone. Fencing with controlled access has been added along with a gatehouse, a building that can be a store, and bathrooms. There are annual memberships sold, or people can pay the daily access/launch fee. There is room for about 75 trucks and boat trailers to park. The owner has a beer/wine permit and has hosted several tournaments and festivals in the last year. 325 feet of Arroyo frontage. The owner is in the process of adding several RV spaces, which generated the price increase in March of 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Phipps.